When you were creating your own family, what decisions did you make about what culture, holidays to present and create for your kids?
Ann and I decided, she mostly, I guess, decided that we would celebrate the Christian holidays as well as the Jewish holidays. And she went into the Jewish holidays much more deeply than I would ever think of doing. For instance, she was unhappy with commercial matzahs, so she decided she learned how to make matzahs, and so for 56 years she's been making matzahs for Passover, and when their kids are around, they like to come and help, and it made commercial matzahs, the usual matzahs, seem very artificial to me, and very strange that such a product be accepted as edible things that Moses would have taken with him on a trip to the Red Sea.